This is an official decree of the people, and writ mandamus quo warranto, and as such requires immediate action and remedy. Every week, council, mayor, governor, and others transfer private property to the government, probably unlawfully. To paraphrase George Washington, a government that tries to deny God-given rights must be removed. Founding fathers required officials be oath-bound, documented consent of the people or God is required before action is taken. I quote, that to secure these rights, governments are instituted among men, deriving their powers from the consent of the governed. And I quote, it is the right of the people to abolish it and install new government. Where is the documented consent to steal my home, steal my just compensation without prosecution? The constitutions require immediate remedy of this breach of law, breach of clothes, breach of fiduciary duty. Your oath of office requires you to act or face prison. 42 U.S.C. 1982, 1983, 1985, 1986, 1987. 18 U.S.C. 241, 242, 2381, 2384. PA Constitution, Article 1, Sections 1 through 28. 26 PA CSA 703, 705, 708, 709, 711, 712, 713, 716, 902, and other laws listed in SCOTUS 1589, 65, 14 1330, 14 4056 appear violated. I call on the federal and Commonwealth governments to perform their constitutional obligations, to investigate and prosecute all involved in the theft and illegal deed transfer of my home, 1038 West Wyoming Avenue. The denial of God-given 42 U.S.C. 1982 property rights for 25 years is egregious, extraordinary, oath-violating, and requires immediate remedy. A just government must obey the rule of law. This color of law government must have its charter to govern revoked until a constitutionally compliant government is installed. Public servants cannot refuse their sworn duty to act any more than a fireman can refuse to fight a fire. The sovereign people require oath, constitutions, and law be enforced, and jail is required for all who violate oath, constitution, or law. I remind council, it takes a lot of cooperation to create and allow all of this monumental corruption.
Thank you.